Welcome back, my spicy friends. Today we're twisting a traditional roast dinner and amping up that flavour using Indian spices. Mild tikka flavours permeate the crispy skinned chicken, and the roasted vegetables form part of that richly seasoned tomatoey sauce. So I'll shut up and we'll get on with it.
Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy.
Time to meet the chicken. She looks like a Gloria to me, so we'll call her Gloria. Let's spice her up. Add the spice paste to the yogurt and mix well. I'm using up some pre-mixed paste I have, but if you want to use dry spices, here's the ratio to add. Do season the yogurty spice paste with salt and pepper. I do find spice paste lack any salt. Now with very clean hands, completely cover the chicken. Gloria. Yes, completely cover Gloria with the spice paste yogurt and get into all her nooks and crannies. Then set aside in the fridge for 30 minutes as a minimum to marinate, or overnight if you have time. While she's resting, we can put the oven on to 220 degrees C. And we can blitz the onion, the garlic, the ginger together in a food processor to make a kind of chunky paste. Heat the oil in a large heavy-based lidded casserole dish. Gently fry the paste for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until it's softened and a lot of the water is evaporated. Stir in the spices and cook for 1 minute just to develop their flavours. Pour over the tomatoes and the stock and season well. And we can finally add our small potatoes. And we can pop our glorious marinated chicken on top. Pop this into the oven, uncovered, and roast for about 20 minutes. Reduce the heat to 180 degrees C. And baste our chicken in that tomatoey sauce. Then we can cover and cook back in the oven for 1 hour 20 minutes. I've got a 1.3 kilogram chicken here, or until it's cooked through and the juices run clear when a skewer is inserted into the thickest part of the meat. Now it's out of the oven, we can transfer the chicken to a warm serving plate and loosely cover with the foil and set it aside to rest for 15 minutes or so. Now we can finish up the sauce. Bring it to a gentle boil and check it for seasoning and add if needed. Add the veggie greens and simmer on the hob for 10 minutes or so. Now add the spinach and cook for a further 2 minutes, and we're done. Return the chicken to the pot or a serving dish and scatter with coriander and chilli to serve. It really makes that skin colour pop. And our Gloria is glorious. You can serve her with spicy slaw, some naans, steamed rice, or other veggies if you like, totally up to you. Fancy another different take on a roast dinner? How about this one right here? Click on it. We have a ton of recipes on the channel, so why not subscribe and see what's coming up next? And so till next time, bye!